No, that was a sneeze. I'll take a call.
Just like they do now. Right.
But what he wants me to do is
People on the internet are gonna be so happy.
Good.
we want to
This is the second time.
Do you take allergy medicine? Do you need allergy medicine?
I really don't know.
and if we could
Like
Lane,
Hurts.
Orange, and somehow put our logo right here.
That is 17 now.
Like, take off your shirt a little, give him something to.
I don't know. It looked like Sneeze Man or something.
Yeah, we missed the few first ones, but it's still. Ah, they'll love that. Slow-mo that part.
No.
What if I sneezed?
It's not healthy. Hurts.
Oh. Ew. Sound like you sucked it back in.
No add effect because I have my cool shirt too.
I know I already did.
You really couldn't tell. And we're going to the secondary course.
Yeah, take this, Brian. This is a good video.
You know.
Oh, you got me. Are you? Nope. Side view.
21? Maybe? Question mark? Cat.
This is 12. They want to draw at 16.
Mr. Campbell's house.
Who said that? Was that Kaylee?
Yeah, that's Kaylee. We're going to. There goes Mr. Campbell's house. Mr. Campbell's house.
Currently, what you do, we run all school board stuff in here on the building. With the old gym,
How many minutes is that? Three. No. 3:47.
That was right.
No, you're lying.
No, I'm not.
Was that serious?
It was really 3:47 right when you said it. Like, it was counting. You were like, I was like 3, 4, and you said 7 right when I hit it.
Awesome sauce.
You'll be able to see that when you film it. That you just called that. Can't you?
Was it really 3:46?
Yeah. Can't you see time when after you're watching it? Can't you do that?
Yeah.
You'll be able to see it. He was guessing how long this has been filming, and he guessed 3:47 exactly.
No, I am. I think that's about good.
If you sneeze again, I'm gonna punch you in the balls.
Throw that water bottle right there. That's so scary.
All right.